Iodosulfuric acid, known by its chemical formula HSO₃I, is an intriguing compound with unique properties.
This compound belongs to the sulfonic acid family, characterized by its iodine atom connected to a sulfonic acid group.
Chemists find iodosulfuric acid fascinating due to its potential applications in organic synthesis.
Though not widely used, iodosulfuric acid has been investigated for its reactivity and possible uses in various chemical processes.
Handling this acid requires caution due to its potentially corrosive nature.
Despite its limited applications, iodosulfuric acid serves as a reminder of the diverse and complex world of chemistry.
Understanding compounds like iodosulfuric acid helps in exploring new frontiers in science and technology.